What is Chat GPT? How to use Chat GPT. This post will explain what is Chat GPT and how to use Chat GPT to make the most of this useful tool. How to use Chat GPT to write an essay. How to use Chat GPT to write code. How to use Chat GPT to make money. We will also discuss some common errors like errors in body stream Chat GPT, why Chat GPT says network error, and how to bypass the Chat GPT filter. What is Chat GPT? The neural network of Chat GPT is trained on enormous amounts of text data, allowing it to recognize and comprehend intricate linguistic patterns. Compared to conventional rule-based chatbots, Chat GPT can produce more believable and coherent responses. Various Chat GPT iterations. The most recent Chat GPT version is GPT-3. There are other Chat GPT versions, with more parameters and improved performance. Each iteration of Chat GPT is an upgrade over the one before it. For instance, GPT-3 is the largest language model currently accessible, with 175 billion parameters. The distinctions between Chat GPT and other chatbots. How Chat GPT handles language processing sets it apart from other chatbots. Rule-based chatbots are based on responses already programmed to certain questions or inputs. Chat GPT, in comparison, can comprehend a conversation's context and produce more customized and human-like responses. Moreover, ChatGPT can be educated on particular subjects or domains, making it capable of responding with greater accuracy and relevance. This makes it perfect for use in customer service, where it can offer clients individualized and effective support. The capacity of ChatGPT to learn from its interactions is another benefit. It can develop a better comprehension of language and produce better responses as it communicates with more people. This makes it a good tool for analyzing natural language, and it could change the way we use technology in a big way. How to use ChatGPT. You can take the following actions to use ChatGPT. You can use the chat box to type your query or statement. Either hit enter or select send. Waiting for a response from ChatGPT. After reading the response, carry on the discussion by making further assertions or by posing further questions. How to use ChatGPT to write an essay. First, select a topic. You must select a topic for your essay before writing it. This can be a difficult undertaking, but ChatGPT can support you. Start off by typing a general subject into ChatGPT, like climate change. Many paragraphs of text about that subject will be generated by ChatGPT. Look for fascinating concepts while you read and skim the material. Moreover, you can use ChatGPT to create more granular subtopics that are connected to your main topic. After this, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to write an essay. Refine your topic in step 2. You must narrow down your wide topic once you've selected it to give your essay a more focused subject. To come up with more focused ideas on your topic, use ChatGPT. If your wide topic is climate change, for instance, you may narrow it to concentrate on how it affects agriculture. Develop an outline in step 3. It's time to develop an outline now that you have a more defined topic for your essay. Create paragraphs for each section of your outline using ChatGPT. This will assist you in developing your concepts and ensuring that your essay flows naturally. Write your essay in step 4. It's time to begin writing your essay now that you have your plan in hand. Create paragraphs for each section of your outline using ChatGPT. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool to aid in idea generation and writing improvement while you write. You are still responsible for making it more accurate and clear. How to use ChatGPT to write code? Here are some hints for using ChatGPT when writing code. Start by posing a particular question about programming. For instance, how do I import a module in JavaScript? Or what is the syntax for a for loop in Python? Be direct and succinct while asking inquiries. This will make it easier for ChatGPT to comprehend your needs and produce a more precise response. If you require assistance with a particular coding issue, be as precise as you can with ChatGPT about the issue. This could be in the form of error warnings, code fragments, or an explanation of the desired result. When Chat GPT responds, carefully read it to see if it addresses your concerns or offers an answer to your query. Ask follow-up questions or provide extra context if you need more details. How to use Chat GPT to make money? $1 million question. How to use Chat GPT to make money? There are numerous ways to generate money with Chat GPT, including create chatbots. Chat GPT can be used to create chatbots that can communicate with customers and offer customer support. This is a common application for Chat GPT, and a lot of businesses are prepared to pay for chatbots that can enhance their customer support. Create content. Chat GPT can be used to create material for blogs, websites, and social media. It can be used to write blog entries, social media updates, and descriptions of products. This can help content makers save time and give you a method to monetize your chat abilities. Personal assistant. Chat GPT can serve as your personal assistant for chores like scheduling, setting reminders, and managing emails. You can charge for your time and provide this service to people or corporations. Chatting. You can use Chat GPT to communicate with others and give them help or guidance. There are several platforms that let you earn money for chatting, and it can be a simple and enjoyable way to do so. How to use your Chat GPT skills to get money. Here are some pointers for making money off your Chat GPT abilities. Create a portfolio to show off your abilities if you're interested in developing chatbots or producing content. By doing this, you'll be able to draw clients and demonstrate your abilities to them. Decide on a niche to become a specialist, concentrating on a particular field or sector. This will make it simpler for you to offer your services and draw in customers who require your specialized knowledge. Provide packages. Instead of charging by the hour, think about providing service bundles. By doing this, you can increase your income and give your clients more. Use freelance sites. You may locate clients and advertise your skills on a number of venues, including Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms can be a terrific way to launch your career and establish your brand. Common errors in Chat GPT. Chat GPT is at capacity. A notice claiming that Chat GPT is at capacity is one regular problem that users may run into. It usually happens when there are too many users on the site. We advise waiting a while and trying again later to fix this problem. Instead, you might try using the tool at off-peak times when fewer people are using it. Error in body stream Chat GPT. By utilizing Chat GPT, users may also see errors in the body stream. Your internet connection or the server may be to blame for this. We advise testing your internet connection and attempting again to fix this problem. If the problem continues, try deleting the cache and cookies from your browser or using a different browser. Why Chat GPT says network error? While using Chat GPT and getting a network error notice, your internet connection is probably the cause of the problem. We advise you to verify your internet connection, reset your router or modem, or get help from your internet service provider to fix this problem. Keep receiving a network error on the GPT chat. When using Chat GPT, if you continually get a network error notice, there can be a problem with the server or your internet connection. We advise trying the subsequent actions. Recheck your internet connection before continuing. Reset your modem or router. Try a new browser. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Redirect error in Chat GPT. When using Chat GPT, if you get a redirect error message, it usually implies that the URL you are attempting to reach is incorrect or has moved. We advise verifying the URL and making sure it is accurate in order to fix this problem. If the problem continues, try a different browser. Chat GPT login. If you are experiencing problems logging into Chat GPT, the server or your login information may be problematic. We advise trying the subsequent actions. Double-check your login information and try again. Delete the cookies and cache in your browser. Examine a different web browser. Why does Chat GPT like server problems, network issues, or system updates? Chat may cease functioning. We advise waiting a while and trying again later to fix this problem. As an alternative, you can ask for help from the Chat GPT support staff. How to hack Chat GPT. Hacking is one of the criminal behaviors that we do not support. Hacking into Chat GPT or any other site is prohibited and can have serious repercussions. We advise following Chat GPT's terms of service and not attempting to hack or otherwise abuse the system. How to bypass Chat GPT filter. You shouldn't try to bypass the Chat GPT filter, because doing so could lead to bad or dangerous results. Please try rephrasing your issue or concern in a way that complies with community standards and is appropriate for a public platform if you feel that it is being unfairly screened. Best Chat GPT examples. There are numerous instances of how Chat GPT has been used to produce excellent content. Using Chat GPT to create original and interesting content for a blog or website is one of the best examples. Essay writing is a fantastic illustration of how Chat GPT can be employed. A chatbot can produce an essay that is well written and covers all the required material after receiving a topic or question. For students who are seeking ideas for their essays or are having trouble coming up with them, this can be a useful resource. There are also more uses for Chat GPT, including producing social media posts, writing scripts for films, and making product descriptions for e-commerce websites. The user's ingenuity and demands will determine the number of alternatives. It's crucial to remember that although Chat GPT can produce high-quality content, it's always a good idea to examine and revise the results to make sure they adhere to your particular goals and specifications. Giving credit where credit is due is also crucial, particularly if you're utilizing Chat Talk to create material for a paying audience. Conclusion. In summary, Chat GPT is an effective tool for students looking to develop their writing abilities and get beyond writer's block. You can utilize Chat GPT to develop ideas, hone your topic, make an outline, and compose your essay by following the instructions provided in this guide. Yet it's important to keep in mind that Chat GPT is not a replacement for your own analytical and writing abilities. After reading this article, you have learned what is Chat GPT, how to use Chat GPT for writing essays, how to use Chat GPT to write code, and how to use Chat GPT to make money. But it is still your responsibility to make sure your essay is well written and cohesive. You can develop your writing abilities and become a more proficient and confident writer by utilizing Chat GPT often and adhering to the recommendations provided in this article.